Welcome to the Liene Upcycle channel. This spring, let's give old coffee cup a new life. In this video from our Spring Upcycle series, we'll show you how to turn a coffee cup into a cute spring wind chime. In the Liene photo app library, under the Liene Bloom category, you'll find lots of free spring-themed resources, maybe even some of your previous submissions. Let's take a look and choose patterns like flowers, leaves, or butterflies. Don't forget, in the preview you can drag the border button at the bottom left to adjust the sticker edges. The PixCut S1 features an all-in-one print and cut function, allowing you to print and cut in a single step. The machine cuts them automatically, giving us perfectly shaped stickers in seconds. Now all our stickers are ready to use. We carefully lift each sticker using tweezers. Then we start placing the flower stickers onto the cup to give it a fresh spring look. We also add a few flower stickers onto the paper piece for a little extra detail. We make a small hole at the bottom of the cup. This is where our string will go later. Then we punch a hole on both ends of the paper piece. This will become the hanging part of our wind chime. Next, we thread the twine through the hole at the bottom of the cup and tie the paper piece at the end of the string. Look around your home for any old coffee cups, get creative, and have fun transforming them with our Liene Upcycle project.